In this video, we'll be going over my top 9 shorts of February. Strap in and let's get the video started.
Number 9. Yo, I got the big boy impact. Ready for some truck tires with this. Number 8. It's so cold outside right now, the brake rotors has frost on them. Number 7. Basically, the bushing is completely clapped out. Needs a new one. Number 6. So I'm just here testing the wheel speed sensor, and are you hungry? You want a hash brown? Number 5. What's this wacky fella gonna do? Oh! Number 4. With this clip, I can't play the original audio because there was copyrighted music playing in the background. But essentially, this car is pretty rusted. For me, this is a normal amount of rust. I see this quite frequently. But for some people, this is a lot. This happens when there's a lot of snow and salt all over the road. And basically, the car is like 20 years old. Number 3. This right here is one puffy boy. Number 2. Oh yeah. Some nice bacon pans underneath the car. Number 1. But wait, before we get into the last part, make sure you're subscribed and like the video, as I post lots of automotive content like this one.
I'm going to show you how to clean the inside of your windshield. You get going with the squeegee on the inside. Then you just take it off.
Perfect every time.